Hi, hello, and welcome to Mathway. In this video, you are going to learn about deck of cards and probability. Have you seen deck of cards? Many games are played with the deck of cards. Even some games are played with a part of deck, and also some games are played with the two decks even. The study of probability has a lot to do with the deck of cards and the dice games to estimate the possibilities and to predict how the cards are distributed to among the players. Let us see what are the types of deck of cards and what are they. Mainly there are 52 cards in the deck. The deck is divided into 4 suits. They are black spades, black clubs, red hearts and red diamond. Each suit consists 13 cards. For example, in the black spade, it consists ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, king, queen and jack. So in all the 4 suits the same cards will be there, but the color and the symbol is different. So there are 2 color of cards. One is black, one more is red. In the black, the 2 types are spades and clubs. So there are total 26 black cards. In that 13 cards are spades and 13 cards are clubs. In the same way, in the red color, 2 types. Those are hearts and diamonds. Hearts are 13 and diamonds also 13. The same, the numbers from 2 to 10 and ace, king, queen, jack are there in each suit. So total 4 suits, each suit 13 cards, 52 cards. If you observe, among these cards, some of the cards have face. They are king, queen, jack. So these are called face cards. So total, how many face cards are there in the deck of cards? Yes, 12 cards. Now let us do some probability problems based on deck of cards. One card is selected randomly from well shuffled 52 deck of cards. So find the probability will that card be an ace and probability of that card will be not an ace. Let us find the probability of ace and the probability of not ace. First, what is the probability formula? Probability formula is P of E. P of any event is equals to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total how many cards are there here? 52 cards. So the total outcomes are 52. Now what are the favorable outcomes? We want ace. How many ace are there in the deck of cards? 4. One is in spade, club, diamond and heart. So the favorable outcomes are 4. So now the probability we want to get the card is ace. So probability of ace is equal to favorable outcomes. The favorable outcomes are 4. So 4 by total number of outcomes are 52. So we can cancel this by 4 table. 4 ones are 4 and 4 13s are 52. This is the probability of getting a card ace. Now what is the probability of getting a not ace? How many cards are there which are not ace? Let us find it. So for the not A's, the favorable outcomes are, so which are not A's. So in the total deck of cards, remove the A's cards. Total 52 cards and the A's are 4. So 52 minus 4 is 48. So the probability of not A's is favorable outcomes 48 by 52. So we can cancel this with the 4 table. 4 12 is 48 by 4 13 is 52. Not only this method, we can find the probability of not A's by using the complementary formula. What is complementary formula? The complementary formula is P of E plus P of E bar equals to 1. So the P of E means the possible event, that is event is P of A's. Now we want to find the P of not A's. So P of E naught is equals to 1 minus P of E. So 1 minus, what is probability of event? P of E. P of A's is 1 by 30. So by doing the cross multiplication, we get 13 1 to 13. 13 minus 1, 12 by 13. So in this way also we can find the probability of not A's. Let us take another example. One card is selected randomly from the well shuffled 52 cards. Then find the probability of a red king. Probability of red king. How many red kings are there in the deck of cards? 2. One is heart king and one more is diamond king. So the favorable outcomes are 2. Then what are the total outcomes? 52. So the total outcomes are 52. So the probability of red king is favorable outcomes 2 by 52. So by simplifying this, we get 2 ones are 2, 2 26 are 1 by 26. Next to see the probability of a face card. How many face cards are there in the deck of cards? So in the spade there are 3 face cards, clubs 3, diamonds 3, and also in the hearts 3. In the total there are 12 face cards. So the total favorable outcomes, the favorable outcomes to get the face card is 12. And the total number of outcomes are same, 52. So the probability of face card, P of face card is 12 by 52. So by simplifying this, by 4th table we get 4 3 is 12, 4 13 is 52. Next, find the probability of a spade. How many spade cards are there in the deck of cards? 13. So the favorable outcomes are 13. And observe the total number of cards are 52. So probability of spade, P of spades equals to 13 by 52. So by cancelling 13 table, we get 13 1s are 13 by 13 4s are 52. 1 by 4. In this way, we can solve the probability problems which are involved with the deck of cards.